Good day, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, congratulations to all of those who have passed with good marks. It was a result day today. Now, the first lesson which the Jinnah gave to the youth, responsibilities of youth. Question number one: why does the Qaid stress on youth to be continuously vigilant? Qaid stresses on youth to be continuously vigilant because Pakistan has so many enemies in its neighborhood, and there are people inside and outside who are trying to destabilize Pakistan. So the youth should be continuously vigilant about this and do work towards the safety of the country. What, according to the Qaid, is the prime responsibility of the youth? The prime responsibility of the youth is to be useful to the country, to be vigilant, and to be well educated. Having read the text of the Qaid's speech, what traits of character the Qaid wants to see in the educated youth? The educated youth should be opportunist, and they should be able to look at the society and fix any problems in it. The youth should guide itself towards new careers and new horizons, and the youth should be vigilant. They should be light-hearted. They should be bright-minded. What advice did the Qaid give to the youth about the choice of career? The Qaid is somehow against the idea of like everybody going to the government service. So his advice to the youth about the choice of career is to join other organizations of the country, private and government, and not relying on the government services, because the government cannot give job to each and everyone. Compare and contrast the youth of today with the ideal youth of Quaid-e-Azam as described in his speech. The ideal youth of Quaid-e-Azam as described in his speech, it should be well educated, well mannered, well educated. They should be well decorated with the skills and the techniques of life. While if I compare and look at the contrast, the youth of today, they have somehow gone to a situation which Qaid said, hitherto you have been following the route. It is like the same route now. Like if one person succeeds in computer science, then everybody is following it. So the youth of today is not realistic, it is not energetic, and it is not creative. Question number 6: the possible role of youth in crisis management of the country is excuse me, that the youth should drive and they should lead from the front in every kind of crisis, and they should help the people both mentally and physically. The upheaval in the question 7, it is the massacre of Muslims in Punjab and Bengal, and it was that huge amount of immigrants coming to Pakistan. It was the upheaval Qaid said about, and he says not only has Pakistan survived the shock of that upheaval than ever. Now there are some writing suggestions, some oral communications, and this one: interpret and analyze the following statements from the speech. Beware of the fifth columnist among ourselves. Like I said, the backbenchers or those who does not want to study, beware of them. Guard against and weed out selfish who only wish to exploit you so that they may swim. These are the people, the opportunists and the selfish people who will use you and then discard you. And the last one, it is about the career development and the career choice for the youth. Qaid is saying that you should not follow that way and that mentality through which everybody is becoming clerks. If everybody is becoming clerks, then who will be the officers? So this is quite a straight point. Uh, if you don't understand anything, please feel free to ask me. Allah Hafiz.